binabasa ko rin yung book. So today, so launch angle is theta naught. So this is chapter 4. So 4.41. So this is phi. And this is theta. So this is d cosine phi, d sine phi. Okay. Saan nanggaling yung x equals v naught square sine 2 theta naught 2g?
So, itong from P to
This must be the maximum. Then sine phi. So, kung alam natin D and phi. Sine phi over G. And known yung initial speed, no?
Initial speed po is, ano ba? Di binigay.
Hindi, tinan mo, walang data about initial speed. So, ibig sabihin, unknown siya at this stage.
Opo. So, pagka nandito na siya, 0. Sabi lang. 0.
Jeez. Yes. Okay. Hmm. Cosine theta. We have cosine theta. Hmm. Yeah, isipin ako. So, what do we know? So, to be cosine theta naught t, d sine phi is 1/2 gt squared plus v sine theta naught t. 0 is equal to V naught sine phi minus GT. Ayan. Highlighter. So, we know D. Tapos, we know sine of phi. We know G. How many unknowns are these? One, two, three. So, eliminate T eliminate G. So, G. Kasi hinahanap natin no, ay theta. See. Minus G. So, five. Six. Therefore, sine phi I see. So, cos Hmm. Ganito. Kailangan natin kinematic equations, di ba?
Opo.
Tapos, may numbers tayo dito eh. So, may values yung x and y mo dyan. Yung x is 0.9 times cosine 36. Tapos yung y, at least yung position ng insect. And yung y, it's going to be 0.9 times sine of 36. Okay, check natin. So, 0.9 cosine of 36, 0.728. Tapos yung y is, kasi triangles eh. D sine, diba? So, hindi ko naiintindihan bakit kung saan tayo dinala ng yung first part. Kasi triangles yung ano eh. Using triangles, makukuha mo yung x and y eh. So, pag alam natin yung values ng x and y, tapos maximum yan,
Algebra.
check ko lang ha. So, 0.9 times sine of 36. So, 0.529. Tama. So, yan nga yung x and y. Pero parang ang layo kasi ng dinaanan eh. Alam naman natin yung angle. Alam natin yung hypotenuse. Diba?
Wala pong sinabing time.
So,
Minute time. Not responsive.
actually, yung ginagawa kong method of attack ay try ko express iwan lahat as variables tapos eliminate yung pwedeng i-eliminate. Pero
Time that must be eliminated.
ganito. kung sa kinematic equations, ano yung pwede natin makuha? D cosine phi. Sige, sulat ko yung yung starting equations ko. So what can we tell, diba? So let t be the instant at which the drop hits the insect. So pwede mong isulat yung yung results ng kinematic equations as d cosine phi is equal to v naught cosine of t max. Okay, gamitin ko lang yung t max. Is v naught sin theta. Tapos ito. So theta, we don't know. G, we don't know. Teka, share ko yung screen ko para makita mo yung starting equations ko. Saan na yung Kaya, okay. Sige, share ko lang yung screen ko. Pakita ko yung setup ko. So, hindi ko siya solve. Iaano ko lang siya. Ano yung first few equations ko. Tapos, iiwan ko siya in variable form. Kasi, as much as possible, ayokong mag-substitute kasi gusto kong malaman ano ba yung data na kailangan talaga at ano yung hindi. So, bigyan ko na ng label. Let t max, let t be time at which drop hits the insect. Tapos, from your figure, tama lang ibang kulay. So, ito yung path. Parabola siya. Ito yung theta. So, yung kinematic equations will give me. So, ito, yung final position is actually, by using a right triangle, we can express it in terms of d and phi. So, yung final position dito is d cosine phi, d sine phi. So, using yung kinematic equations, for x, d cosine phi, that's going to be v naught, kung yung initial speed, which we don't know, cosine of theta times t. Tapos yung d sine phi is going to be negative 1/2 gt square plus v naught sine theta times t. And then yung condition for maximum, 0 is equal to, so v naught sine theta minus gt. Kaya, clear ba yung yung working equations ko?
Opo.
So ang kailangan ko niyan, gumamit ako ng highlighter or gagamit ako ng highlighter kasi gusto kong tingnan ano ba yung mga known, ano yung mga unknown. So yung known, Pangit yung gamit ako ibang kulay. Let's use yellow. So yung known is yung phi at saka yung d. Yung iba, hindi natin alam. So, highlight natin yung mga known. Hindi natin alam yung V0, hindi natin alam yung theta, hindi natin alam yung time at which it hits the maximum. Ito, known value yan. G is known. So, ito, known to. Yung V0, unknown. Yung sin theta, unknown. Yung T also unknown. Tapos, meron tayong last equation. Ang known lang dito yung G. And then let's count knowns and unknowns. Ano yung mga unknown dito? So the unknowns are
T.
V0, theta, at saka T. How many equations do we have?
T kaya po pwede, eliminate. Using
yun nga yung point dyan. Eliminate. So, pwedeng systematically eliminate until yung mahanap mo yung eliminate everything, V0 and T, in favor of theta.
eliminate kaya po yung V0? Baka pwede naman say keep.
Ano yan?
Parang hindi naman po may eliminate naman yung V0.
And then, ganito. For example, let's call this equation 1, 2, 3. Yung V0 sin theta is equal to GT. So, every time may V0, pwede nating i-express in terms of G and GT and sin. And then, replace mo lahat sa equations 1 and 2. So, tanggal na yung V0. Tapos, yung may two equations ka na lang, yung unknowns would be theta and T. Eliminate T naman. And see what you get. Kaya, clear ba yung strategy?
Ako.
Sige. So, screenshot ko lang, tapos send ko sa'yo. Ito yung strategy na na hindi na from first principles. Baka kasi may ibang method na hindi first principles based na may intermediate result na nagagamitin. Pero since hindi ko naman kinakabisado yung mga yon, first principles attack to. Okay, so stop sharing na ako. Tapos gawin natin algebra. Ano yun eh, kung iniwan mo yung mga numbers, ang advantage ng ganitong method, pwede nating ma-check ano ba yung importanteng quantities. Is it really important for us to know yung D? Or ang ano lang talaga dyan yung fee? So, okay, gawin ko yung algebra. L0 is equal to sin theta minus GT. This is eliminate. So doing it right. Tangent phi is equal to 1/2. Okay. So tangent, so ang lumalabas, no, theta naught is tangent inverse of 2 tangent phi.
I think it kind of makes sense po.
Mhm.
Parang kahit from the figure pa lang. Mga 20 siguro to. Or less.
Tapos so tingnan natin yung result, no? Pansin mo, walang dependence on D and phi. So ang adjustment na kailangan gawin ng Archer fish depende lang sa angle, hindi sa distance.
Yun po sa time.
Wala ring adjustment for time eh. Diba? Ngayon, yung speed, okay, speed, I think magiging critical yan. Kasi pag masyadong mababa yung speed, hindi aakyat ng mataas yan. Diba?
Parang ano po, parang yung ano, kumbaga, bow and arrow po versus gun. Pag naka-incline po sila sa in level, the arrow will go lower than, let's say, a crossbow or a gun.
Okay. Actually, yung ano, kaya
Pero bakit
yung
hindi po siya madali?
ano yan?
Hindi po siya a factor. Is it assumed that the velocity is the same? Kung same velocity po, ano yung angle compensation? Will the angle compensation be the same?
Okay. So, the angle must be that. Ngayon,
Oh, almost forgot.
okay.
No. Connect. I-connect yung meeting na. Sige, meeting na. Minute.
So, yung standard form,
Standard.
i-ano muna, divide out mo muna by 10, by 100. Tapos,
Okay, wait. So, kung yung Y has the bigger
okay. Maglagay
denominator.
ka ng ano. So, primed at saka unprimed coordinate system. So, on the primed coordinate system, yung in terms of x prime, y prime, nasaan yung center?
Center.
So,
Pulsar.
So, kailangan natin ay center.
No. that is,
So C
I will put the frame like this.
plus
Tapos, so, 10 is
tapos isa the center. The principal axis. This is y.
aha. I have generated B. So this will be now be removed, then replace it with its imposter.
So longer so y. Plus vertices. So friend ellipse. And definition. Okay, intersection is the principal axis. So vertices B and then to endpoints of minor axis. That's one zero. So this one is six. Six. Foci. It's going to be at 100 minus 25 squared percent. So 1 plus. So 0, 0, y-axis. Yung y-axis or y prime axis. So, ano equation ng y prime axis? So that's y prime equals 0. Hindi, yung sa principal axis, tingnan mo. Yung nilagay mo, y-axis, di ba? Actually, y prime axis yan.
No!
Pero,
Like,
ano yung equation ng y prime axis? So that's going to be y prime equals 0.
uh, wait, is it y prime? I think it's x prime co equals 0.
Sorry. Tama. X prime equals 0.
Okay, so ito is
So, x equals okay. Two, 4, 2. Okay. Ngayon yung foci naman, I think c square equals
a squared minus b squared.
mm,
No, kasi yung Pythagorean nito, 5 square root of 3. Okay. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Fun. When I
okay.
get to the plus minus. Okay. Yan.
Ayan.
Saan na? So, x -1, 2.
So principal axis yung -1. So okay na na-sketch mo yun eh.
Ah, equation. So, here, with somewhere over there. Okay, wait. So, this should be in scale of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait.
Ang importante lang na makita natin vertices at saka endpoints ng minor axis at yung vertex. And then, pwede mo nang sketch. So, kahit yung foci, huwag mo nang i-mark. Ay, show the foci pala. So,
Tang, 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 tang. Yun yung placeholder trying to increase the pain and suffering incurred by the student.
ang assumption niyo dyan kasi may calculator ka eh.
Bro. So, dito.
Actually, meron pa nga siyang ano na okay lang sa kanya gumamit ka ng graphing calculator.
Sadly, I don't. Hmm.
Desmos.
The future is now. So negative 1/8 here. Wait, it don't make any sense. Other way around.
Kaya,
Okay.
parang mali yung equation mo sa y prime squared yan, di ba? Over 100 plus x prime square over 25.
Yes. Okay.
Nadagdagan ka ng square. Yeah.
So this should be the one that should be then.
Alam mo kung ano yung isang hack na mas madali? I-graph mo muna yung x prime, y prime axis.
Okay. So there must be some
Doon
sort
ka
of
mag-graph.
red.
Tapos nun, hanapin mo yung origin ng old na unprimed. And then, saka mo i-sketch yung xy.
Life hack. Okay. So it's y prime. I forgot I will be using that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hindi, actually, ang ano niyan eh, burahin mo na yung red. Tapos yung kaninang xy, tawagin mo na na x prime, y prime. Mamaya mo na i-drawing yung x prime, yung xy axis.
Okay. So, I think this works
Kasi
out.
yan yung may skill eh.
I will just black this out for now. Very rudimentary job. Okay, so dapat awesome na. And then x0, yes, okay, yes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, dito. Ay, ano may? Oh my. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Okay, funny. I did it. And then some buttons. Oh my. Here we go. And then here. So now it's time to draw it. Button to make me draw this better. Oh, nailed it. Okay. Actually, I didn't. Just to be a little more more volume. Oh, shit. So, doesn't make me something. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. Okay. I will just clean it up.
Kaya, i-set ko lang yan. So, x prime square over 25 plus y prime square over 100 equals 1, di ba? And then, x prime is equal to x plus 1, y prime is equal to y minus 2. Teka, meron akong pakita ko sa yung yung sinasabi ko kasi mahirap na mahirap i-explain ng hindi ko nakikita eh. So buksan ko yung Desmos. Tapos share ko yung screen ko. Window, tab.
Unmuted. Wala. Kaya pala. Yan po.
Okay, sige. So balik tayo. So dito, ang ginraph ko muna yung nasa prime. So yung axis natin dito is actually on the prime axis. Ngayon, yung green, yan yung original na y-axis na unprimed. Yung blue, yan yung original na x-axis na unprimed. Kasi kinagili ko, ano ba equation ng x-axis? The x-axis in the x prime y prime system is y equals 0. So y prime equals -2. So yun yung y prime equals -2. That's the equation of the x-axis. Tapos yung y-axis is x equals 0 or x prime equals 1. Kahit mo x equals 1 na nakagraph, tsaka y equals -2. Siguro baka mas maling makita kasi 'di ba ito ang ginamit ang naka-center dito sa atin sa graph natin yung 0 0. Sige mo, what if ito yung center? So urong natin yung nakaganyan. Tapos ito yung origin. 'Di ba? So shifted yung ellipse. Okay na?
Opo.
Sige. So stop ko muna yung share tapos pwede tayo sa next. Stop share pala.
So technically po, I can basically cheat translation of axis. All I have to do is write the original one and then just put the coordinate axis. Delete the original axis. Instant reward.
So graph using the primed axis and then saka may graph yung xy.
What the mathematicians don't want you to know. Evil secrets.
Actually sila yung nag-invento niyan eh. So that's actually what they want you to do. Graph everything where it's simple and then translate the axis.
Oh no, brain freeze. Kasi, so kung, wait. X, 8X.
Teka, sorry. Wala kang nakashare.
Wala pala ako nakashare. Buti na revise.
So, hindi ko lang kung anong ginagawa mo ngayon dyan. Okay,
Oh, wait,
sige. Tingnan natin.
The file manager. The Chrome. There, Chrome. Not there, do.
Gawin ko rin yung completing the square. Gamit na gamit yung completing the square dito, no?
Everywhere po. What is ellipses about? What are conic sections about? Completing the square of an equation and then doing something.
Diba? Kaya ano yan eh. Kaya may sense talaga na simulan natin yung additional math dun sa first polynomials and then yung quadratics eh. Kasi paulit-ulit na ginagamit yun eh.
It will never go away.
May mga integrals na kailangan mo rin siya. 4x squared plus 20x plus 4y squared minus 32y equals -89.
Funny. So somehow the stars align and then somehow it ends up being 0. Okay, good.
Teka, sige. Gawin ko rin yung algebra kasi hindi ko lang kung yung sagot eh. So x squared plus 5x divide everything. 4y squared minus 32y.
Wait a minute. Wait. So, kung 0 po siya, it will never become a real ellipse. So, it will never become, could it possibly become, when x is 0 and y is 0, it will become, wait, no. When x is when it's at a certain point, so this is
May solution ba yan? Or may
yeah,
point na nagsasatisfy?
it is one point that satisfies it, but it's not really it's not an ellipse. Or is it?
Well, degenerate form siya ng, you can think of it as a degenerate ellipse. Pero let's just check, no? For x squared,
isn't the point of degenerate form of everything?
Square plus 20x minus 32y plus 89. Mm-hmm.
Hindi ka po maglagay para ledger line dito sa mga ano. Or ka lang.
Kung ano, talagang pag ginawa mo sa Desmos, C. Add slider to C. Yeah.
Will it degenerate, collapse into a point?
Hindi. Pakita ko yung itsura sa Desmos.
Oh, sus. But why is there nothing? Wala talaga at all po.
Teka, kita ba yung ano? So kapag
it really exists. But
so lumiling siya until maging point, and then pag nag-negative, hindi na pwede.
So it's degenerate.
So yung C yung parameter. Para makita na, okay, nagre-reduce nga siya to a point. As C approaches 0.
Meron kaya pong parang animation para sa Desmos, yung parang gaganon niya po yung slider out ng halo.
Yung ano?
Yung Desmos po. Diba parang
may animation function to eh. Hindi ko lang alam paano gamitin. Kasi
yung ano po, yung play button po, may mangyayari kaya po. Hindi, pwede naman eh. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So
ayun. Kaya, pwede ba na i-edit yung ano? So, negative 1, tapos gusto ko hanggang 100.
Crazy.
You have to zoom in. Tapos, zoom out. Yan. So, kung i-play natin, di ba? Ayan. Sige. So, stop sharing muna ako. Okay. So, next. So, mukhang ano, no? Hindi, yung trick yung number 13. It's not, it's a point.
Actually, it's not a trick, but it's a blessing. So what is this? Suspicious text box.
Okay. Tingnan natin yung 15. X squared
Actually,
plus
this is super
3y.
easy. I don't know if this should deserves half of the page. Let me hear you.
Yeah, tingnan ko rin. X squared plus 3y squared minus 4x minus 23 equals 0. So x squared plus 3y squared equals 23.
Where is the y? Uh-huh.
So you go to
Suspicious.
27.
There is no y po, so the y is not complete. Oh, wait, actually yes,
Yeah.
the y is complete. It's literally y minus.
Perfect.
Yay! Okay, nice. 27. Okay, good.
So x prime is x minus 2. So you go to y. So yung tapos ano yung mga hinahanap? Vertex. So prime muna and then unprimed. 0, 0. So tapos minor axis, no? Hindi. Kasi
The completing the square, and then you get the denominators, of course, and you, of course, after you complete the square, you get the something, the whatever, the actual x coordinate and y coordinate. Then you get the prime to make it simpler. Translate the axis, okay, then like normal, find a, b, and then put them. A is x because the major axis is on the x-axis, then y is b, and b is y because it's like the principal axis is once again on the x-axis, and then the focus c squared is equal to b squared, a squared minus b squared, and this center axis vertices, minor vertices, or endpoints of the minor axis, whatever. And these are the foci. When you translate that using this formula, you get these. Except this x-axis, because of course x-axis is infinite, so adding x plus 2 to it won't do anything. Then here, you complete the square and complete the square again, sort of like literally completed with put the square, and then actually it's not needed, but anyway, just to show. The right hand side should, when it is 0, it is a point because the radius or whatever. What's corrector? Both the axes are 0, and then what else? When it is positive, it is an actual ellipse because, of course, the lengths of the major or minor axis exist. Actually, it can also be a line if one of them is 0. And then, if it is negative, of course, there's no square root of negative. Or there is, but it's imaginary. It's a different topic already. So here, the C is 0, so it's a point. L. Okay.
Okay. So,
Wait lang. So I will just quickly explain. Say it sa so wait, hindi explain ko. So yung ito, no, this one, the x prime, the center axis with six minor vertices. Here, completing the square, building the denominator, then adjusting it, brackets here, okay. This one, completing the square, and then just finding if this one is zero, negative, or positive. When it is zero, it's the point, okay, L. Okay, in the exercise, wait, yes,
mhm.
the exercise,
Negative. So,
but obtain the una equation with the
so it's equal to 1.
having
So,
ano po to? Ito po medyo hindi na po siya intelligible. You know?
sabi daw, so, in exercises 19 through 28, find an equation of the ellipse having the given properties and sketch the ellipse. Check your graph using your graphics calculator.
Even they giving property.
Yung dibuhe, 'di ba? Dibuho. So, mukhang ginagaya na sa Filipino yun eh. Ang kanyang dibuho. So, portrait.
Wait. And sketch the ellipse. Oh my god. Why? No way. He used label it. So here, okay, one top okay, verify your graph.
Using a graphics calculator.
But uh, but wait, oh my wait. Vertices at I will just this is mutually intelligible and available at the text. Vertices uh okay, Spanish. When I learned Spanish just by reading this book. Wait, I think I'm masyadong paper.
And focus.
Where's the next problem? So I know. Okay. Focus. Where is it? So, wait. Wait, what? X plus tops. I don't know. It's over.
Wait, ano yung vertex?
Wait. Before that, minor axis. Minor.
Teka. Teka, nasaan ba yung vertices? Nasa major o nasa minor axis?
Vertices on the major axis. So, inan ko po ito. Oh, so this 4 halves equals 2. Okay. Why is it X? Maybe I should have named it N or something.
Gamitin, ano ba yung ganito? Yung standard form ay x squared over a squared. Hindi, sulat mo. X squared over a squared plus y squared over a squared. X squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. So using yung information, kailangan natin malaman ano yung A or B. So yan, A is greater than B. So nasa yung major axis is the y axis, is the x axis.
I'm wasting too much. So, dapat y, ano may y? Yes, 2 pala. 2 over, 2y squared. Okay, nice.
Ayan.
Focuses, ano ba ito? Focuses. Foci, 3 and 3 and for the something.
3.
Hindi ko na
Tapos, so focus at 0, 3 and 0, -3. And for which the constant referred to in the definition is 6 squared root of 3.
So what constant? Constant. Wait.
Di ba yung yung length from yung sum ng lengths from the two foci is a constant. Yun yung constant na yun.
So the sum of E B? Oh, yung ganun po niya.
So in terms of A, B, or C, ano yun?
So from the focus, it will rise here B, C. So that must be A and another A, 2A. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So I think this is too much, or is it? I don't want to draw that square root. It looks crazy.
So x squared over, so
I will make this video Spanish only. L. Foci and And 4 para, yes, makes sense. For the for which for into in the definition to the constant.
Definition.
Yung painting ko na ginawang formal is sa phrasing. Okay, ano ba? Okay, so yung A is equal to 3 square root of 3. C equals 3. Okay, so B must be something funny. What could it be? 3 squared minus 6 squared equals what? Oh, wait. 3 squared of 3, it showed up 0. 3 squared, but okay. 3 squared of 2. True? Yes. What else? Nothing. So, X
9
squared
times
over
2, okay, 18. Yeah. Okay. Let's answer the next one. So vertices. So at 2, 0, 2, 0, negative 2, 0, through the point negative 1, 1/2 square root of 3.
what? Where is it at? And through the point.
Hmm. So vertices ang binigay, no? Tapos point on the ellipse.
Through the point.
The point.
Okay, sige. I think I know.
I almost got confused. Okay. So that yun yung, kala ko po parang, why are there three coordinates? Okay, so there's a 1/2 squared of
So
3. Why is
negative
it
1 at saka
written
square root
as
of 3 over 2.
it is written as square root of 3 over 2? I was insanely shocked. It's not the old way. It's been like that since 1910 or older. I don't know. Ano pa? So, passes through the point this. Hmm. Mm, okay, so x squared over 4 plus y squared over b squared equals 1. And in this case, negative 1/4 plus
Mhm.
China, what's running out of time. No! Zoom, please don't disconnect.
So square root of 3 over 2 square over b square.
3/4, yes. Yes, 3/4.
At
Or
wag iwala yung b. Yung b square. Ayan.
was
1.
B80. So 3/4, and then B equals 1. Okay, B equals 1. So therefore, x squared over 4 plus y squared equals none other than 69 to the 0th power. That will be a 1. Okay.
1. Okay.
20.
So
And 4
25.
negative 2 over and 9 negative 2 and okay, it's
4
mutually
negative 2.
intelligible. So a center at this one and a vertex at here
Focus at
and four
0 negative 2.
yes. Okay, mutually
So
intelligible.
x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b squared equals 1. X prime is equal to y plus 2. Plus 2 is
Yes, I know. Mutually intelligible. And focus
focus
at
is at
funny. So somehow it's perfect. So another
c
perfect.
is
Nice.
equal to
The very easy problem. Thank you. I could even understand Spanish. Oh, good. Cool problem because it's easy. Okay. Yes.
vertex of 9. 9 minus 4.
Foci at negative
0
and
minus 4.
longitude of the semi okay, semi minor major axis. Semi major axis of length is dati. Oh. Focus and all.
Teka,
Problem.
yung 25 patingin.
Centro and 4 negative 2 on vertex and then negative 2 on foco and logo.
Teka, check na. Yung center, pansin mo, hindi nasa origin.
Hmm. Tanan, tanan, tan, tanan,
Yung sa
tan, tan,
25.
tanan, tanan, tanan. When I added the extra something something. Where is it? Ah, no. Why that font? Or I mean that thickness. Y minus 2. Why did I do it? X minus 4. Y minus 2. I still said minus. Okay.
Okay, ngayon, from there, teka, wag muna. Hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. Ano yung distance ng focus mula dun sa center?
Distance
Yun
of
yung C eh.
focus from the center. 4.
So 4. So 25 minus 9, that's going to be so 4, so 25 minus 16 is going to be 9, so B equals 3. So 25 over 9, okay. So you're going to get over 9. Okay, sige. Okay na yan. So 27 naman. So focus at foci at -1, -1, and -1, 7, and semi-major axis length is 8 units. Ano yung semi-major axis ulit? What's that? Parang ibig sabihin ng semi-major. Yung major, paano related yung major axis at saka yung semi-major axis?
The major axis was everything, while the semi-major is half of it, like A. Like literally po A.
Okay, sige. Okay na ako doon. So, tapos,
I actually understand the Spanish more than this. And the semi-major axis of length 8. Wait. Foci at this one and at the and the and okay, and the semi-major.
-1, divided by 2, 6, tapos, 3. 7 minus -1.
United States of America. Mm-hmm.
4.
Easy. So actually very hard. Okay, wait.
8
So
is
C is equal to half of this one.
6.
4. Okay, good. Wait a minute. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ah, wait, 8. Okay. I was fooled.
64. 16. Wait. B squared is Teka. Teka, ano yung, nasaan yung center ng ellipse na yan? Kasi di ba x minus something, y minus something, bibigay dapat niyan yung center ng ellipse. Okay, may dalawa tayong foci. Nasaan yung, using those two foci, nasaan yung center ng ellipse? So, dapat x minus